End of Bitcoin? How Google's Willow could shake the system Bitcoin, the digital currency that has revolutionized the global financial system. But what happens when a new technology emerges that goes far beyond anything we know? Quantum computers, hailed as a milestone in technology, could potentially threaten the cryptography on which Bitcoin relies. In this video, we'll take a detailed look at the possibilities, risks, and challenges that quantum computers pose for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Stay tuned to find out how you can protect your investments. 1. What is a quantum computer? The revolution in computing power. Quantum computers differ fundamentally from classical computers. While classical computers use bits that can represent either 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits. O superposition, qubits can represent 0 and 1 simultaneously. O entanglement, qubits can be interconnected so that changing the state of one qubit immediately affects another, regardless of distance. Why does this matter? Quantum computers can solve problems that are practically impossible for classical computers. A problem that would take billions of years to solve could be completed in mere minutes by a quantum computer. Let's hear what an expert has to say. Quantum computers are often regarded as the greatest technological revolution since the invention of the computer in D2. Why is Bitcoin secure? The SHA-256 algorithm. Bitcoin relies on a strong cryptographic encryption called SHA-256. This algorithm ensures that all transactions are secure. All private keys can't be reversed from public addresses. All the blockchain remains immutable. Bitcoin's strength. With current technologies, it would be virtually impossible to crack Bitcoin. It would take billions of years to calculate a private key. 3. Why are quantum computers a threat to Bitcoin? Cryptographic attacks. A sufficiently powerful quantum computer could derive private keys from public Bitcoin addresses, or manipulate transactions or empty wallets. How close are we to this threat? All current quantum computers like Google's Willow have 105 qubits. All experts estimate that around 1 million qubits would be required to crack SHA-256. New breakthroughs such as the use of logical qubits could drastically reduce these requirements. 4. What are the risks for investors? Loss of trust. If quantum computers were to attack Bitcoin, it could shake trust in the entire cryptocurrency industry. All Bitcoin's value could plummet. All investors might suffer massive losses. Vulnerable wallets. Older wallets using less secure encryption techniques would be particularly vulnerable. Manipulated transactions. An attacker could retroactively alter transactions, compromising the integrity of the blockchain. 5. What's being done to make Bitcoin safe? Quantum-resistant algorithms. Researchers are already working on new cryptographic methods resistant to quantum attacks. Examples include lattice-based cryptography or hash-based signatures, network upgrades. Bitcoin could be updated through a hard fork to incorporate quantum-resistant algorithms. However, this requires community consensus and presents challenges. A developer explains, switching to quantum-resistant algorithms is complex but necessary to secure Bitcoin's future. 6. How can investors protect themselves? Diversification. Don't put all your money into Bitcoin. Diversify your portfolio with other asset classes like gold or stocks to minimize risks. Use secure wallets. Hardware wallets provide additional protection, especially those that are regularly updated. Stay informed. Follow developments in quantum computing and watch for announcements about security updates. 7. What does this mean for Bitcoin long-term? A new era of cryptography. Quantum computers might force the entire industry to rethink its security protocols. The result could be a more secure and stable Bitcoin. Challenges and opportunities. Short-term. Uncertainty and potential panic. O long-term, a more robust infrastructure and new technologies. Conclusion: the introduction of quantum computers like Google's Willow is a wake-up call for the entire crypto world. While Bitcoin is currently secure, this technology shows how important it is to remain vigilant and adaptable. What do you think about the future of Bitcoin and quantum computers? Do you believe Bitcoin will remain secure, or are we facing major challenges? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on cryptocurrencies and investments.